What is going on, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tips. Welcome to another video on my channel. A little bit of a different video today. I'm going to be showing you how to install mods to your Farming Simulator 19 game. This does apply to Farming Simulator 17. It's basically the same procedure, and if you want, I can do a video on that as well. Now, as you know, Farming Simulator 19 and 17 has Mod Hub. You can download mods from there, but there are way more mods on certain websites. You just got to be careful what website you go to. I'm going to show you a website I've used for a while. It's actually a really simple procedure. So the first thing you want to do is you obviously want to find the mod you downloaded, and I'm actually going to put this website in the description below. It's called fs19.lt. You can type it in if you want, but I'm still going to put it in the description. So all you got to do is find the map or mod you want. We'll do this guy. So what you do is you go ahead and just click download. It's going to pop up with this page here. Go ahead and click create download link. It does take 7 seconds for whatever reason to create the download link. I think it's just doing something. And then it's going to download the download here. But what you want to do now is you're actually going to go to your downloads folder to find that mod. So here are all the mods. Obviously, I'm not going to add all these right now, but all you got to do is find the mod you wanted to download. It should pop up in your downloads folder. You can drag it to your desktop if you want to make it easier. Then you're going to go to your documents folder. You're going to scroll down to my games, and you're going to find Farming Simulator 2019. You're going to go to the mods folder here, and then, yes, I have a lot of mods, but see how it doesn't say unzip? I usually double click it, and if you see any other zip files in here, then you want to unzip it. Obviously, you don't have to with this one, but all you got to do is take the folder and then drag it into the mods folder. And there you go. Now the mod is there, and I'll actually jump into a game real quick and show you that it is there. As you can see, I'm on the game now. All you got to do is go to the store, go to large tractors, because that's the area it was in. You're going to go all the way to then. Here's the Ford. And there is the mod. So that is how you add mods into your mods folder for Farming Simulator 19. Well, guys, that is how you add a mod in your Farming Simulator 19 video game without using Mod Hub. So this is just something I wanted to show you guys. I'm not sure how well this video is going to come out. I haven't uploaded in a while, and I figured I'd do some tips and tricks for Farming Simulator 19, which I can do more of. But that's going to be over on my gaming channel, since this is more of a technical thing. That's why this is on my tech channel. But if you guys want to check out my gaming channel, check out the link in the description below. Go ahead and subscribe to that channel as well, because I will be starting to upload to that when I can. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. Let me know you guys think in the comments below, and give me some more ideas for videos for the tech and gaming channel. See you guys next video, and peace out.